quickly myself. So my name is Chendu. So I am instructor for today. So I have carry over a decade of experience. So feel free. So I will be able to answer your queries. And quickly, I am sharing my screen. Any further ado? Just drop an S bar yes if you can see the screen. Okay. Yeah. Are you able to see my screen? Say yes in the chat window here.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for confirmation. Yeah, here there is a chat window. You can type like this. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Feel free. So keep yourself muted. So this is the word basic.
Okay.
Okay. This is the university community workshop series I downloaded from the university. So if you can go through this, so they are saying this starting and opening of the software application, simple task in Microsoft, like typing text, formatting the text, keyboard functions, copying and pasting and cutting, insert clip art, spelling and grammar check, Microsoft Word help, and printing out the documents. This is the basics they have speaking about. Okay. So, but we are going to be a way forward beyond this. So first, there are any application, any software, why we are going to use. This is the Microsoft Office basics. So this is the Word document. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Like suppose if you are using Windows 7 or something, there will be Windows R. If you type, then the run command will open, where you can type Win Word. If you press enter, then this also will take you to the same screen. Okay, or else if you click on the start menu, there you can search for Word. So this will open, and if you click on open, this way also you can open. Hello, am I clear? Participants, are you there?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. So let me understand quickly from you people that, like, how many of you know how to open a Word application? Just quickly drop on the chat window. Arun? Okay. So Arun is asking one more time, sir. Okay. So Arun, there will be like Windows R, Windows symbol will be there. Windows icon, you know, right? So Windows, press the window, then click on R. So the run command will open. This is one of the quickest and shortcut way of opening the Word. So type on the run prompt Win Word so that you will open this. Is it answer your question, Arun? If yes, then please say yes. Okay. Thank you. So please interactive. Okay. So I am not here like I'm not able to, open your mic and ask you to do that. So please feel free to open on the chat window. Okay. Whatever I am asking, please respond here so that it will be easy for me to go through it. Okay. The first thing, once any software, there will be a purpose and why we are doing that, why we are using. So when it comes to the MS Word, initial days like in the pre-Vedic period and everything will be talking over the conversation. Post that the people started using the scriptures for writing with on the plant leaves and everything. And post that, once the era started and people started using a paper and the manufacturing unit, the ballpoint pen. And post that, it's all are used for a word processing. Post that, that era came into the picture of computerization. So initially there will be a typewriter where we have a paper and people have started doing it. When the digital medium come into the picture, then people started using the word. The initial one is Notepad. If you ask me what are the word processor, if you can see here, Notepad, OneNote, sticky notes, okay, open notebook, and all quick notes and all these applications you can see on my window, all are word processing. What is meant by word processing? So what it meant by is nothing. Hi all, welcome to the world of digital literacy. So let's try. Okay, I hope the screen is visible. So this is the literacy we are talking about now. So how extensively, exclusively you can use your system, how better you can, and what extent you can create the documents with it. So don't feel free to interrupt wherever you feel that something is. I am wantedly teaching the basics. If someone is feeling that okay, something is need to be advanced, we need. In a couple of minutes, I will take you to the next level. Okay, please feel free to stop me or query me here if you have any queries. So I hope some foreigners also will be there. Naresh, I just want to understand like how many of you know already the word application. All of you know? Okay, Sinu, good. Is anyone doesn't know? Okay, okay, Vasu. I will answer the queries. So this is the word processor. It's like any language will start with couple of words and it will make a sentence, and with that they will be processing. Why we need to process this? In order to capture the knowledge what the people are speaking about, to capture the conversation, to capture the knowledge, to capture the information. So we will be keep it in a words. So this is called word processing. So Microsoft Word is a typical, it's a word processing application. It's one of the word processing application. As I have shown you, there are a lot of, all notebook is also Notepad. So notebook is offline word processing, whereas Notepad is online word processing. Here also you can type the same thing. So only difference is it has a limited features, whereas Microsoft Word allows you to use the extensive features of the software application. So okay, any further ado, I am checking into the next level. Let's open. There will be a menu. This is called menu bar. Can't I minimize this? Okay. Okay. I hope you are able to see my screen now. So here, this is called menu bar. Okay. In this menu, if you can see, file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, help. If you want to understand any software application initially, I would request you to click on the help. If you click on the help, what will happen is there will be a prompt will open here. Okay, if you can go through this, you will get started if you click on here. So I am taking through is nobody going, you should not ask anybody to what is Word. Post this session, you will be able to create your own document, and I will be going to give you an assignment later on this session. You have to understand the concepts well here and make sure you will be creating on your own. I am going to review the documents. If you have any queries, the next session the queries will be addressed. Okay, I hope this is only session we are going to get for the MS Word, so be attentive, don't miss out anything. I will take you from the basics to the advanced level. Okay, what is Word? And so if you can go here, file tab, click on new. Okay, this will guide you and what needs to be done. Okay, so am I clear as of now? Are you with me? Please interact, everybody. RDMS. Okay. I am not teaching something new. Okay. So I am just helping you people to understand how to understand any software better. Okay. So that you should not rely on someone else. The best guidance is no guidance. Okay. So you can make use of this. I will take you through. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now you get an idea. What is Microsoft Word? Okay. Let's see. What is the file menu will say? Anytime. This is common across. Like if you understand MS Word properly, then 80% of your next MS Office softwares will be having the similar features and similar context. So you can make use of better things. Its only difference is with the person who knows how to use the software and who doesn't know. His only thing is how part only different and why they are using it to capture some information. So what is the other applications will do? They will do for separate purpose they have. If you click on file, it will be common across. Okay, if you click on new, the blank document will open, and similarly you can make use of couple of existing templates. These are called templates. So if you can suggest like business, if you click on business, so the business related templates will be open here. Okay, you can make use of the existing one. Similarly, if you go back, there will be a templates of education as well. So how you can make use of this?
There are lots of people. The train is full. A lot of people.
Any query? Okay. So there will be a lot of existing templates will be here available. So you can make use of any one of them. If you click on it, then automatically it will open. So if you click on create, so it will be like this. So you can make use of and you start editing this. So, but in order to explain you the concepts, I will be using the blank page only. So file, you can make use of the blank document, or any one of the existing template. Okay, if you click on new. Similarly, if already you have a document already stored on your machine, suppose I have the syllabus and something I have mentioned. So if you click on this, the existing one, so if you open it, then automatically it will fetch that document. One sec. Do not save. Okay. Let me save this document. So the next option will be save the document. This should be the shortcut. All of you might be knowing this. I will tell you. So this is the desktop. Select the location. So give the name. Okay. Word info. Okay. I am storing on the desktop. So I will be creating a new folder. Okay. Word info. Okay. I am saving that document. Okay. Let me close this. Let me reopen. How to open it? Can someone tell me what is the shortcut? Windows R, then open this application. Okay. Now let me explain you this. Open, if you click on open, already existing document. Okay, this PC where I stored this one, I have stored somewhere. Browse on the desktop, MS Office, Word info. So I am exactly going to the path of that particular file where I have stored the file, and I am click on open. Can you see this? So let me quickly explain you what I am saying. So Windows is a key. There will be a Windows key. It's like similar to this. I will explain you. So this is the Windows. Windows mean to say this is the symbol I am referring to. If you plus means holding the key. Then if you press R, then the run prompt will open. In this run prompt, if you type WinWord, automatically Windows Word application will open. MS Word application. Okay. Okay. Now, so if you want to open the existing application, if you want to create the new one, we will click on the new icon. If you want to open the existing file, then we will click on the open. If you want to save whatever the changes you are doing, if you click on the save, automatically it will get saved. Whatever the changes you are making to this document. To save the document, shortcut will be Control plus yes. Okay. Then similarly, to open the file, open the document. We usually call it as a document. control plus O. Okay. As of now, any queries? For the new file, there will be a shortcut as well to open the new document. New document. You want to create the new document, so you can do Control N as well. Control N. Okay. So we have cleared this one, starting and opening the software application. Components and features we are going to discuss. Typing the text, you have seen it. Okay, saving the document, you have seen it, right? This is one of the World Prestige University syllabus. So I have taken, but I will make you understand even better. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I hope, sorry, I would have given the mic access as well for most of the folks, but yeah. So it will be chaos. So I don't want you to be. Okay. Any further ado, I will be taking it to the next level. Okay. So this is done. You know how to do it. We will come back to the print last stage. Okay. You can share the document as well, so that we will look into while we are looking at the Google Docs. Okay. In the home application, if you come across the home, there will be a beauty in it. So everything will be self-explanatory. If you that cursor mouse over it, and it will tell you what it is going to do. Okay. So home button, you will be frequently using this screen. Home menu. In this home menu, in this ribbon, this is called ribbon. Okay. There are multiple features in it. Each and every one is a unique purpose associated with it. Let's look at one by one from left to right, okay, so that you will understand each and every feature. Okay, in order to explain this, the first one is, this is a paste option. So what it will do, in software, 90% of the job is copy paste. All are agree? Do you agree? Any counter opinion? Audience poll? Okay, let's see how we are doing. Control C. I am just used the shortcut to copy the text. Copy the text. I am using. Okay, just Control C. So most of the folks are knowing it. Okay, just I am just doing this only. Control C. Okay, Control C. What I'm going to do, if I do click on this paste button, if you click on here, mouse over, it will be like add content on the clipboard to your document. Okay, so this is Control V. So I am doing that. So this is paste the text. This is called paste. This is the shortcut just now you have seen on the screen is Control V. The paste is over. What is this format painter? Okay, let's understand this. And understand format painter. Format painter. Okay, so what it will do? Let's see. What I'm going to do is like just making as a bold and italics as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I have just did the bold and italics for this content. Okay. Let's select this one. So if you click on this one, if you select the format painter, okay, whatever the content you are going to select the next time, it will automatically convert into the previous format. Can you see the difference? This is I just did with Format Painter. Am I too fast or not able to follow? Any thoughts? Hello?
We are able to follow.
Thank you. Okay, so next we are going to understand the underline. Underline also similar, like if you want to, underline this, you can click on this and it will create the underline. The first shortcuts for all these is Control B and Control I and Control U. Okay, so this is done, and now we are going to the next level. Okay, the first one is very basic and very critical to understand here. Your attention here, folks. So this is very important. Times New Roman is widely accepted font style across organizations. Like if you have, any of you have the experience of writing any article or research article, most of the folks will be saying that Times New Roman and font size should be 12 or 11. Okay, so this is the document font. You will see most of the research scholar, like most of the research people will be working on this document. This is mostly widely accepted. So why we have to know this? This is very important styles. Whatever the organization, every organization have their own style defining. So you have to understand that. And similarly, you can change the font size, whatever you have. For the purpose of readers understanding, I'm just making it bigger one. Similarly, if you want to increase the size, you can use this icon. To reduce, you can use this icon. Okay, we have covered all these features. Okay, so I will explain this. Wantedly, I am not touching this one because these are the striking ones. Like if suppose you are doing some corrections, you want to understand the people, then you will use this one. Okay, so what is this? Text effects and typology. So if you have click on this one, so if you can change this, let's consider this. Okay, so if you can see here, widely has changed completely, right? I have given this text effect. If outline also, you can select this and you can change the color. So I'm wantedly keeping something dark of this shot so that people can easily recognize. Let's try. Yeah. Are you clear as of now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very great. And here, if you want to highlight, like suppose you are reading some text, like let's say, let's take the use of a Google one. Let's say, what is WinWord 2023 version? Let's take the wiki one. Okay. So this is all we are going to read. I'm just using this copy paste. So the paste options, just I will make use of this text. Okay, I will change this font color to. Let's imagine that suppose you feel that word before can be run on Linux. So you feel that something is very important, okay, while reading the document. You can go here and highlighted color also you can select here. But when you click on this, automatically it will get selected. Okay, this is an highlighter. So that people will understand that whenever they are reading the document, oh, organization is the highlighted one. Okay, very good. When they are coming down and word before 2010 we can run on Linux. Okay, these are the keywords and the key phrases you are going to highlight from out of your document. Okay, similarly, if you want to change the color of this, you can use of this. You will be using these colors. If you can see here, the color is keep on changing. Okay, can you see? To change the color of the letters, we will be using this. Okay, this one, font color. Similarly, now we are going to reach the next level of thought process. Let's see. So what we are going to do here, if you click on here, this is the letters case. So there will be, if you can see, sentence case, the first letter of the after the full stop, it will become as a capital letter, and remaining everything will be, most of them will be on the small letters. Like if you can see here, please explain. Okay, let's see. I will wantedly keep this one as small. Okay, let's see. If you go here, select sentence. See, if you can observe this H letter, I will make this letter as big as I can. So let's see, I'm giving as a small case. Okay, I'm selecting this. If you go here, if you click on the sentence case, then automatically it's going to change. Have you seen the difference? Folks, yes, no, not understand, not able to follow. Okay, that's great. Thank you, Sino.
We are understanding.
Yeah, that's great. So here, if you can see this difference, and similarly, if you want to change everything into uppercase, that also you can do. Okay, if you can change everything into lowercase also, it will be already in lowercase, so you can see this. Everything is changed into uppercase. If you click something, this one, like uppercase letters, just you have selected this. You want to select into the lowercase. Most of the time, we will be like struggling with this. And sometimes we need to, make all the content into the uppercase. Imagine the scenario, you have 10 pages, everything has to be in uppercase because that is an agreement. It's a legal document. Let's assume that everything should be on the bold and uppercase. You cannot go through and select each of them and do it manually. It's highly impossible. So in order to select also, you can use the shortcut as shift right arrow. Shift right arrow. Okay. This is just word by word I am selecting. If you want to use down arrow also, you can start using. Shift. I am pressing the shift and making use of all the arrows to select the content. Now, if you go there and capitalize each word. So if you can see the difference, as of now, most of them will be on single letter, but each and every word first letter is changed into capital. Just I am highlighting so that you can recognize. Bold. What is the shortcut to bold? Control B. Control B. Okay. I will take a pause here. So just recollect whatever we have been spoken. If you have any challenges, let me know so that I will go into the next. Then I'm going to explain the next ribbon features here. Most of them you might be knowing it. Okay. So I hope, and this will give an value addition like exactly where we are going to use. Most of the time we don't. So this will, I think this explanation will give you a basic thought process on the same. Okay. I'm going to take you to the next session here. So this will be the different cases you can, okay, toggle case, and you can make use of all the cases. Let's see how it's going to. So everything will be changed into multiple things. Like if you have the uppercase, then it will change into the lowercase, and if you have the lowercase, it will change into the uppercase. That is called a toggle case. Okay. Folks, all good? Any queries? Anything? You can clear the formatting as well. Suppose if you click on this, everything got changed into the normal. Formatting got changed completely. Okay, fine, good to go. Let's try. Okay, so I'm going on to the top to explain you what is this. Let's give the numbering. Okay, so if you have this entire document, if you want to give the number, just bullets. So highlight this. Okay, let's see, type. This should be the next case. So you will be like clicking on this. Similarly, these are all shortcuts. So if you want to just number it out, you can click on this. You can give the numberings like this. And if you want this kind of numbering, you can give to that. And there will be like Roman columns as well. And ABCD, small case, uppercase. So whatever you want, you can. So what is the benefit of this? If you click on enter, automatically it is taking the next one. No need to give any numbering. Suppose you have 10 key points. The 10 key points will be automatically comes in the similar way. Okay, so what is the next shortcut you want to write? Paste is done. Let's say bold. To make the font bold, what we are going to use? Control plus B. This will be handy. Like suppose if you are going here, suppose let's see, I want to make this sentence as bold. If you don't know the content, and automatically the suggestions will be coming now, new feature. Otherwise you have to go there and click on this. So instead just Control B. That's all. Okay, that will be handy. The shortcuts will be make your work productive and smarter. Okay. Similarly, you can use on this like headings and everything. I will just give me a moment. I will make you understand that as well. Any queries as of now, friends? All good to go? Hello, friends, are you there? Busy on WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta? Hi there.
Hello.
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 Hello. Please unmute yourself. So as of now, these are
Yes, we are there.
okay. Great, great. Thank you for confirming. I hope you understand and you are able to follow me. So I'm a bit faster.
Yes.
Yes, it's good.
Already
It's super easy to understand. Thank you so much for all the gem.
Yeah, I will be sharing this document with you all people. So nothing to note it down as well. Just I will, I want you to understand it, and so that you can play on your own. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's start. Good. So here I'm going to take one more content from the Google. Let's see. What is the latest hot topic? Something I will take. What is the latest technology? Let's take. Why not? So open AI. Okay. So let's open this. Okay. This is the next generation technology. Okay. So let's explore the products. Let's click on it. That's the company, about the company. Let's understand the company. So okay. Learn about her research. Okay, let's take this one, their mission statement. Okay, here I am pasting it. Let's see. Okay, I exactly pasted it. If you can just click on this as this one. Oh, so by the way, OpenAI is the popularly known as ChatGPT. Okay, general processing purpose text. Whatever we are using artificial intelligence, that is the technology, the latest technology. The OpenAI is the company. They have developed that one, ChatGPT, popularly known nowadays. Okay. So for your information, and yeah, here let's go with it. Yeah, what we are going to see here, I will be just be okay, right, follow with me. So here I am giving something now heading 1. Okay, just I'm changing commercial as heading 1. Microsoft Word I'm changing as heading 1. Okay, New Roman I'm starting as heading 1. Let's go here. So here I'm changing, let's say what we can change is welcome. Let's try. So the heading 1. Okay, so here if you click on here, the styles, you have a lot of styles will be there. Okay, if you want to change something into the style, just feel free, select it. Okay, then there will be a heading 2. I'm just giving one thing as a heading 2, and there will be like, if you want to strong intense or something, if you want to feel that, this is also you can change into something intense page. That's intense quote. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to make as easy as possible. Okay, chalo, let's see. So what we are going to do with this? Suppose if you have seen this list library and current list and everything, heading 1, heading 2. If you click on this also, you can create something. Let's try. What is this? Article 1, understand the importance and everything, it's started changing. Okay, if you want to come back, Control Z. Control Z is undo. Control Y is a redo. Okay. Let's see what is this meant by undo. Okay. Undo means whatever you have done. So just you want to revert it to the previous version. So suppose I have typed something. Suppose I have typed this one. Just if I click on Control Z, it's removed. If I want to redo, again the same phrase I want to on the screen again. So Control Y. So that is one more thing is redo. Is Control Y. Good. Great. So all these shortcuts will be handy for you. So that is the reason I am writing it here. Okay. Let's go back to our story. The story we have made is everything we have used in different styles. But how going to it help you? Let's see. Folks, here I am going to introduce two concepts. So be attentive. The first thing is I am going to insert a cover page. This is one of the beautiful way of doing things. Okay. You can select whatever you want. Okay. Maybe what I want is a simple documentation. Other document title. Okay. Superb. What is this? This is no longer, I don't want to call it as a basics because you will understand even the word, MS Word, Microsoft Word, info, information, right? So what is the subtitle? All features, all features. And fonts. Let's say fonts. Otherwise, we can make it as like word processing. Let's say word processing. Okay. See, any further ado, I will be like, this is the beauty of this. This you have introduced word processing. Okay, automatically my name came. So the company we are going to use company address and everything we can give. Like let's say the company what we are going to ABC. The company address will be, let's say Bharat. Okay, let's say otherwise what is the other country people are folks are? Please help me with on text box some country name. Let's say country. Okay, let's see. So if you have this cover page, what it will tell you about? It will be give you an overall idea what is all about, what we are covered in this. Okay, and post that. Okay, let's insert a blank page here. Post this cover page. Let me introduce a blank page. Okay, just make sure that insert. I am click insert one blank page. I am inserting. So what I am going to do here is, if you click anywhere in the cursor, friends, it's very important. So okay, now I'm going to create one miracle for you. Okay, if you click on the review, so the reference document, the reference, there will be a table of content. Okay, so if you have here like there will be different styles and everything, so just I am taking the automatic table one. Okay, if you carefully observe this, This is the headings I have given here. Can you see here? Times New Roman and everything I made it as an headings. Okay. If you click on this heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, oh, let's imagine. So this is the save the document. Let's imagine that this will be, we will keep it in home page, styles, heading 2. Okay. Just give me a second, folks. Sorry to interrupt. My apologies. Is everybody is following? Hello, am I audible? Yeah. Hello. Chat window, please.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Audible. Yes.
So here, so I am changing this document. Save the document is heading 2. Okay. If you go back to the our session of previous table of content. Okay. These are all heading ones we have mentioned. Okay. If you click on this, update the field, update the entire table. Okay. So save the document come as heading 2. Have you seen this? Hello? Is everyone noticing this? This is the table
Yeah.
of content. So whenever you have create any document, let's imagine that you have thousands of pages of documents. So everywhere you have to mention, if you mention that heading 1 and heading 2, let's take some more content. Why 2? You know, let's imagine this. Let's take this. Okay, for Word, for Mac and everything. Okay, I'm taking this one, origins. Let's make use of this. Word for Windows, Word for Mac. Okay, Control C. So I'm using in our document. So this is very important. So please, if you don't understand something, stop me there, then and there itself. So post this, whatever assignment I'm going to give you is not something, I hope you are simultaneously following and doing on your own. Is my understanding correct? Friends? Is my understanding correct? So try it on your own as well. I hope this recording will be available if you post this session as well. But I would, request you to practice on your system. So if you select this, and it's going to take time, right? So what is the shortcut to it? If you want to change everything, okay, there will be a shortcut called Control A. Control A, what it will do? It will select entire text so that you can change whatever the content you are going to give. It's automatically going to change. Font. Okay. If you want to change, everything will be on the similar context. Let's imagine, just to make you understand on this origins. So I will be making it as heading 1. Okay. Then come down. Let's imagine this. I'm like, just to make you understand, okay? I'm not even focusing on the content side. Just I want you to understand the concepts. Then the next one I will be like President of Lisa writes, let's take as heading 3. Okay, then make this one agreement between Microsoft. Let's add some heading 4. Let's make this first version of version Windows released in 1891. Let's make as heading 2. Okay, capitalized on word. Let's make as heading 1. So any of the documents, if you want to, make using this version, you can heading 1. So Word 7 will be like heading 2. Okay, this is sufficient. Let's go back to Word for Mac. Yeah, let's make this one as well. Heading 1. Friends, ready for the biggest wonders of this Microsoft Word. Okay, I am doing this, update the table. Okay, update the entire table. Okay, yeah. Can you see this? Whatever the headings we have given there, automatically it came here. Let's imagine you want to go to the page number 7. Okay, so how you want to go there? Simple, control, click on this. Exactly, I'm clicking. Okay, left click, control, done. I came here. Anyone have any questions here? Friends, any questions? Just I will check here. Any questions? Anything slow, fast? Are you able to follow as of now? Friends, someone can unmute and say yes, no, maybe, good to go, feeling sleepy. Hello?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
Yeah, all good. So let's see, then we will be, I think, okay. So please explain again. Yeah, sure. So here, suppose if you want to, add here, let's see if you can just select this one, Windows NT. I am making as a heading 1. Okay. So if you go back to the table of content here, if you right click here, update the field, update the entire table. If you click on OK, see whatever you have given there, it should come automatically. What you have changed? Let's write something here so that you will understand it better. Word for Mac. Okay, this is the page end. So let's see. Testing the table of content. Okay, this terminology is very important. Okay, friends, it is the heading. Okay, so table of content. So if you enter table of content, help you to navigate through the document. So let's understand if it is a sprint related one. Let's imagine that this heading 1 will be your user story 1, user story 2, user story 3. If you can make it as like that, then whenever you have the table of content, it will becomes like user story 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So it's very easy to navigate. Okay, understand the concept so that you can play on your own terms. See, testing the table of content. Okay, I hope I answered your question. I don't know what is the 8641400. Okay, friends, any queries? Anything? Okay, I will be sharing this file with Naresh. I think, yeah, that's all for today. I would request you to, follow this and, practice on your own. So I am going to give the assignment now. Okay, the assignment is pretty simple. Go to any of one of your favorite topics, or like maybe the Scrum. Maybe most of you folks may be related to Scrum. So Scrum ceremonies and documentary documents. Let's see how it comes. Let's see what is Scrum. So I would request you to go to this, okay, exactly about the Scrum, okay, how it is changing. The color should be in the same color and try to replicate this page as it is. So I'm about to introduce this icons as well. So this image inserting and everything I will take care of tomorrow, so that I will spend some time on that. So this, yeah, try to replicate some page like this on the MS Word. Now you know how to use and everything. So if you go here and quickly, I'm just letting you know the pictures, like in insert pictures like this device. Like if you have some pictures already available, you can take some screenshots. Like maybe what is this screenshot I have? Let's understand this. Insert. So this is the jobs. Let's imagine this hierarchy of a civil engineering. You can insert any image and you can picture the format as you wish. So this I will take you detail tomorrow. Okay, so couple of other effects are there, so we can take this one and change as per your requirement. Make this or this one. So what is the beauty of this? Let's understand this, the image, and we can give this format. And if you can picture border, like if you want the border should be very lightweight, and you can select this one. Okay, similarly you can insert and create something like this based on your interest. Create a document which consists of the images and similar bold content and everything. So similar line, I request you to create one document and apply whatever the learnings you have understood from this session. Making sense? Hello, friends? Good?
Yes, it is.
Okay. You understood the assignment? Okay. Let me just write down the assignment as well, so that this document will be circulated to you, so that you can understand. So assignment. Apply all your, like, select any subject of your choice. Subject of your choice. Go through the subject website replicate the font styles and design and pictures as is. Okay, this is the assignment. Okay, friends, I will be like take you through tomorrow. There will be a lot of things like draw and insert. I'm going to explain you detail in PowerPoint presentation, and I will explain you the margins and size columns tomorrow, how it will be helping you and everything. And there will be references as well. I will make you understand what is the different captions we need to manage the sources and how we'll be inserting the tables. Okay, then in mailings, anyhow, we are going to use this mail mergers in the advanced concepts. If someone is very interested, then we will be doing this as well. So then review, we'll be checking this grammar check and how you need to check the spellings and review that document. So without impacting the existing content. And view, we are going to see what is the different views we available on this. And once we have this and how we are going to print the document tomorrow. It is good. Yeah, similarly, we have the other sessions as well. And tomorrow also the similar time, like 8:30 to 9:30. I have sorry for that, and 10 minutes I have taken your time. And I make sure that this is my intention is to not to hide something from you. Okay, it should be interactive. Why I'm asking is like the similar content is available on YouTube as well, and you can go through the video and whatever the content is required, you can take it. But all the features at one glance and integrated knowledge will not be shared anywhere. Only you will be getting from a person to understand. I will be more than happy to answer if you have any questions. Please spend some time. I am urging each one of you, please spend some time and understand whatever we have spoke in this class today. This is very, it looks very simple, but I know what content I have shared. So this is one of the, I have taken you from the basic to intermediate in this session. The tomorrow session, you will be an advanced user of the MS Word. Mark my words, this is completely 80% and 90% of content will be common across the my MS Office applications. So I'm not going to teach you again and again. I will start using it. Okay, with the assumption that you have followed the sessions very carefully and thoroughly. With that note, I'm taking and signing off for today. I'm sharing this document with Naresh and he will be circulating with all of you. And feel free to, interact. Someone is feeling that, okay, we are expecting the advanced one, like there will be like mail merging. This is start mail merge. This is one of the advanced features in the Word, as far as I know, with my experience. So feel free to interact with me, like, and the Excel, it's gonna be a next level taking. So if you want any advanced course also, we are going to start post these sessions. With that note, I am signing off. Thank you. You are a great participant, very interactive session. Thank you, each one of you. I am signing off. My name is Chandu. I am signing off. Thank you.
Thank you,
Naresh.
Chindu. Yeah, so this is very basic training. So we are planning to do next month advanced training. If anyone you feel it's very basics, if you already know about this, just wait for next month. We are going to give a better advanced training. Okay, so this recording I will share you, and